Good morning, everybody. Well, this happens to be our 454 race engine with a mechanical roller in it. Again, we're not running a racing intake on this, and man, did we just kick some numbers in the ass. 855 horsepower at about 6,900 RPM. Unbelievable. And I pulled out of it early. This is Mike's engine. It's going into his 94 Pontiac Trans Am race car. Mike, what'd you think, man?
Very excited with the results. Definitely exceeded my expectation. Well over 100 more than what you guys were, 100 horsepower more than what you guys were selling it at. So far so good. Very excited.
Hey, this is one me and Brad will be going to the track with him. We're going to start maintenance in this for him, and I think it's time for us to get back into the engine game of racing. And you know what? We didn't lose a thing. This thing just showed me we could still got it and still can do these badass race motors. If we put a racing intake on this, I still think it'll hit 900, and that's what I told Steve it could do. But we're a little down on air. This is a 102. I put a 105 on there, and man, it would breathe even more. Hey, peace. All right, this motor happens to be built for a gentleman, Mike, who's standing behind me. This is going into his 94 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a race car. So we built this as an LS454 solid roller camshaft. No boost, no nothing, all naturally aspirated. We're going to fire it up and give you a run demo. No reason to go any further, man. That thing is dynamite.
853.
Oh man, I said what I